We are living in the modern era of smart and connected systems, where consumers have access to a wide range of compact and complex electronic devices, which influence their daily life. Electronic device manufacturers are constantly striving to be the first in the market by innovating new products with shorter development cycles. As a result, OEMs are experiencing engineering challenges such as high-density component packaging and device thermal management while following siloed design and prototyping practices. With SolidWorks Design and 3DEXPERIENCE Works simulation portfolio, electronic device manufacturers can address these challenges easily. Here's an example of a portable projector and speaker system called Beame. Inside Beame lies a projector and LED assembly, 2 speakers, 2 batteries, and an electronic subsystem. The primary objective of a thermal engineer in this case is to assess temperatures of electronic components and air circulation within the present design for a target operating condition. Based on simulation results, the engineer will introduce or enhance cooling strategies to ensure safe and efficient operation of components. Thermal engineers currently using SolidWorks for their design process can quickly assess flow and thermal performance of electronic devices by launching Fluid Dynamics Engineer role directly from SolidWorks CAD environment. Embedded in the cloud-based 3DEXPERIENCE platform, the Fluid Dynamics Engineer role offers guided interface for engineers with limited or no background in fluid dynamics simulations. Users can quickly set up conjugate heat transfer simulations directly on native SolidWorks CAD geometry with minimal interaction. Access to custom and standard material databases are made easy with a quick search in Material Palette. In case of Beame, a steady-state incompressible simulation is defined to model conjugate heat transfer with radiation phenomena. Additionally, solid physics is enabled to capture condition and radiation effects. The Fluid Dynamics Engineer role offers a comprehensive suite of solid and fluid meshing capabilities, allowing engineers to easily mesh large and complex geometries with minimal user interactions. Hex-dominant meshing technology enables automatic extraction of fluid volume and generation of body-fitted volume mesh with boundary layer elements. Abacus-based sweep and tetrahedral element types are offered for meshing solid geometries efficiently. In this case, the thermal engineer is able to generate a mesh size of 9 million elements in a matter of minutes. The high-fidelity mesh generated in this process can accurately capture intricate thermal interactions between air and electronic components inside Beame. Engineers can leverage cloud-based high-performance computing to solve large thermal simulations, which could be quite challenging for local workstations. This helps electronic device manufacturers, especially startups, to reduce IT infrastructure costs needed for large complex simulations. A high-performance visualization engine enables extremely insightful information about 3D flow distribution and thermal performance to drive design improvement decisions. XY history plots and sensors allow engineers to gain confidence in the convergence of KPI values, such as surface average temperature of the heat sink above the chip. In this case, simulation results are indicating potential meltdown or failure of the chip and heat sink, since their operating temperatures are way higher than the acceptable limit of 80 degrees centigrade. Harnessing the power of CAD and PLM embedded simulation environments, the engineer is able to go back to the SolidWorks desktop, explore a direct cooling strategy by placing an internal fan opposite to the heat sink in order to take away more heat from the fins and chip surfaces, and seamlessly update the simulation model for revised SolidWorks CAD in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Temperature profiles and flow patterns are easily compared side by side with intuitive post-processing capabilities. The revised design with the fan appears to have cooled the heatsink and chip sufficiently below the failure point of 80 degrees Celsius, thus increasing thermal factor of safety for the device. As a result, engineers are able to confidently make design improvements upfront in the development process and cut down rework and prototyping costs. With Simulia's Fluid Dynamics Engineer role included in the 3DEXPERIENCE Works portfolio, product designers and thermal engineers can quickly explore, validate, and enhance thermal management of complex electronic devices while leveraging the power of the cloud-based 3DEXPERIENCE platform.